If your partner keeps bringing stuff up that happened months ago, a year ago, or even 5 years ago, it's because it hasn't healed yet. It's a bit like, because you keep saying sorry over and over again, it doesn't mean that it's all okay now for them. The reality is you can't go back and change events that happened in the past. So 2 things need to happen. From your side, it's listening to each of those events and seeing how those events impacted your partner without getting defensive, of course, and then taking practical steps to change those patterns of behaviour that you both think is unhelpful. And then on the other side, if you're the partner in this, then it's important that you actually offer genuine forgiveness and not to hold grudges on things that they did in the past, and set appropriate boundaries if there are patterns of behaviour that are not changing.